All right, here we are on our last part of our unholy creature. So I have the body of the giraffe, the head of a toucan, but you can tell that the toucan was just kind of thrown on top of the giraffe there. We want the colors to match a little bit more. And so I could say, okay, I either want the toucan's head to match the giraffe body, or I want the giraffe body to match to the toucan's head, and I think that might be a little more fun. So what I'm going to do is make sure I'm on the toucan layer. I'm going to come over here and click on the eyedropper. And I'm going to choose, I think, this yellow color. Now I'm going to go back to my giraffe layer. I'm going to press and hold the paintbrush to get this color replacement tool. And I'm going to recolor this giraffe body. Do you see it's matching now? The color. And we want to be really careful because you see I went outside the lines there. I don't like that. I'm going to zoom in. Zooming in is probably the easiest way to do your best work. So that's the next step. What I want you to do is recolor or your unholy creature, because creatures don't come with one color body and a different color head. You need to make them look like they're all part of the same unholy animal. So now I want to name it. I'm going to use this type tool right here. It's the T. Up at the top, I can choose my fonts. I can choose how big I want my fonts. And I want you to name your unholy creature. So I have a toucan and a giraffe. What can I name it? Giraffe. There you go. Toucan and giraffe. It doesn't have to. There you go. You've never seen a giraffe before. Now you have.